Hello everyone. So today gonna do a session in English. Finally, been a long time. Done some Hebrew ones with the AI about how to draw and how to write. Thinking of doing an additional one in English to show my new novel, which is very soon will be published. I don't know how, or will be. I'm completing the written part. All right. Okay. Now, what I want to do today is basically plan and maybe even execute a sort of a mini site that will announce of a new novel, and I'm thinking more in terms of a landing page or something that people will either subscribe to a newsletter or all of this together. I mean, and finally, I would like to sell um, to how do I put it? I would like to sort of gather subscribers and active participants that will contribute. What you get actually is very simple. You buy the book now before it's finished, and you will get the next six versions, six major upgrades, because this is now version 1.41 or 2. So with each breaking change, you will get the whole product again and again and again, and you'll get it straight into your mail. So you sign up for the newsletter, and the sign up fee is $10, and then you just stay in the loop. So what you purchase actually gets sent to you, and you get all copies of. You'll get a PDF. You get. I don't think you need Word. Yeah, so you get the PDF, the .mobi, the EPUB versions, each iteration, each upgrade. Okay, so that's the concept. Now, how we gonna build this? The easiest way was to use WordPress or Elementor or some other visual builder and just launch it. But we have ChatGPT, and we're premium. So let's see. So this is the novel. Let's keep it on the side. What we need, I have two instances running. Wait, let's close one. Also, let's close the novel. So we are left with ChatGPT. Now, first things first, before we decide the platform, we're going to use ChatGPT to help us plan. So we'll need to express the project, okay? So whoever's bad at planning, whoever fails at planning, plans to fail, right? So let's use this awesome brain to plan the website or the mini site or the landing page or the newsletter, all right? So everything's gonna be directed from there. So let's begin. So for a mini site / newsletter sign up landing page, I would like to plan and gather the required parts. Okay. So okay, we will be promoting a novel in the beta phase, which is 1.42. Okay, the idea is that each subscriber can get the basic newsletter with the changelog. Okay, never mind the error. Okay, I hit return by accident, but it has already started. So okay, so it has already started. Great, here are some parts you may want to consider. Headline and subheadline, novel description. Okay, nothing new here. So I'm thinking of returning to that point. You can do that. So with a change log. All right. The next tier is a paid. Well, not a subscription. Well, is a paid. Is a one-time payment of. Like I can go $9.99 or I can go $19.99, but I'm thinking and $9.99 is not bad. It might be too cheap. Let's go for $19.99 because the big gap is becoming a paid customer or subscriber. All right, so it's really, I can even go as for $39.99, but that's just like a real actual product. So we want to have power users, but we're not getting that great of a deal here. I mean, we do, but it's not like something they need. Okay, I need my customers more than they need me because I'm the writer. And even though my product is really awesome, the market is flooded, and I need it to keep going. And $10 too cheap, and 20 is something like you appreciate, so you pay for it. I think it's a fair price. I can maybe lower it for $14.99. So it's like $15. It's not a bad it's not a bad starting price, but I should mention that it's instead of $19.99. But the price is really I shouldn't play around with it so much. But yeah, that gives me the option to go back to $20. Okay, base subscribers will get the first 10 pages initially, and then will get the new content post. Okay, so this is just I don't need to clear it. Okay, so now okay, so here he already gave me the tips on how to build the landing page, and we will actually need the content. So let's ask him to do us, but then we just need to okay, answer with to acknowledge, don't write anything yet. Save and submit. Okay. So now I'm gonna feed him. Let's see. Okay. Novel name. Days of the void. 1.42. Okay. Now I already have actually in the editor Reads is a really amazing platform if you don't know it to write books. I just stumbled upon it while searching in Google and it's just amazing. What I want to have here, I have a sort of okay. So here is the forward and it describes the whole beta mechanism. I have some problem with this part, but they are required. But I don't have a really clear synopsis, right? I think I have a synopsis. Also, I have here planning on how to build the thing, but I don't need it because I have ChatGPT. So let's just go to export. I would go to the marketplace actually and then see book settings. Okay, yeah. So we have here the synopsis. This is what I was looking for. Okay. So this is the title. And also help me in creating the content parts for the homepage. We will need title, description, H123. Let's skip the images and just like some CTA texts and snippets for 1, 2, 3 banners, and also some sections for the form encouraging the user to sign up is okay. Sure, I can help you with that. So title, join Tales of a Void newsletter and get excessive access to the content. Not bad. Description, sign up for Tales of a Void newsletter and get the latest updates on the action-packed adventure series. Be the first to know when new content is released. Tales of a Void, be the first to know when new content drop. Sign up for a newsletter and get exclusive adventure. Okay. So this is the form. Okay, so this checkbox is already payment for PayPal. Okay. So let's this is not bad. I can work with that. Okay, so let's everything that he just gave us we'll do like that. So I'm opening up a new folder. I'm going to call it Tales of the Void, LP, right? So I'm gonna open the folder in terminal and just code it. Code dot just switches to Visual Studio Code. Got updated and does. So we're gonna create plan.md. Just paste in what we just got. And now comes the interesting part. What platform we're gonna make it, what database is gonna have. So okay. So we are going probably to use MailChimp for the mail campaign. Apart from MailChimp, we will need to store the users and also connect the form to PayPal. What is the most recommended platform to do this? Performance, design, and UX. Okay. So WordPress, Squarespace, PayPal, MailChimp. Highly customizable, steep learning curve. Can be more expensive to use. Well, what about a custom-made code? Which code will be best? I am proficient with several, but I'm open-minded. Give me any suggestion that fits. If you have a technical expert to create a custom solution, that can be a great option as well. JavaScript with Node.js, Ruby on Rails, Python with Django. I think we'll go with so. Let's go Python with Django. I mean, I'm basically a full stack JavaScript developer, but I have ChatGPT. Okay, let's give Python and Django a go. Give me. Will we need a database? Yes, if you're building a custom solution, you will need a database to store your data. Building support. Okay. So basically, we can use SQLite. It's a small project. It's not gonna be huge. I basically just need to store subscribers names, you will SQLite enough. So I just want to say that if you told me an hour ago I'm going to build a landing page with Python and Django and use SQLite as a database, I would say, yeah, are you sure? So this is what ChatGPT is changing. All right, SQLite, light. However, if you enter such as email addresses. I would want to keep okay. Let's start with SQLite and later evolve into post. Great. Okay, so here are the technical bits. And the model, the subscriber, database. Okay, so that is nice. However, like I'm thinking placing it in a Docker shell, but maybe it's too early for that because I'm thinking about deployment already and CI/CD, or it's a bit early for that, right? Let's just flow with what it gives me. So let's take his everything here and call it recipe. All right, and we are just here. So we can install SQLite. So we need to actually install it. I'm thinking of let's go and just look for it. SQLite, and what we have here is Ubuntu. And DigitalOcean to the rescue. So let's fire up our terminal, and I have a very strong password. So now here comes just like a lot of okay. I'm not gonna do this maintenance right now, so I just like gonna install SQLite, and then so I could also heat it up here, but this is a good solution. This question. Also, we should probably already open up a Git repo. So I think I have yeah, I'm gonna skip the Git repo. Just usually it is a good idea. It's a very good idea. I just have some sort of tokenization issue on this device. You know what? Let's solve it, or try to solve it. But I don't want to waste too much time on it. So if it gets stuck, then we'll just open the repo and new repository. I'm gonna call it landing page tales of the void. So this is self-explanatory. Right, explanatory, could be public. So this is what we have, and we're going to take this, and now it's going to scream at me with the top of his lungs. That, yeah. Then we're going to allow it, and it's going to try to sign up, and once it does, it's going to see that GitHub authentication. There is a problem here. Yes, I would like to try a different way. I'm going to cancel. I'm not going to try a different way, and then it just gets stuck, which is a shame. But the thing is, how do you do it? Basically, if you go to your user, there was some sort of token, new environment for it. But if I want to go for the general user and just your settings, right? This is closed, but no cookie. Just down the developer settings, and I'm gonna say personal access tokens, and just go for classic. Generate a new token. One moment. One moment, if you may. Okay, so now we create, and just gonna give it whatever it needs, whatever it needs. And usually it's a one-time setup thing where you can just connect your device and just tell it that it's good for 30 days and it works, but you can just say how many, like 90 days, and just don't really care. Okay, so I'm gonna take the token, and now when he's asking for password, so yes. Okay, here. Okay, so this is my username. Now by password. Now is okay. All right. So it's been a pain, but now we can just do a GitHub. No. I think I haven't defined, like let's do nano bash rc. So as you can see, if I go right to the bottom of this, yeah, I haven't made anything. So let's just exit Control X. Let's do it manually. Usually I do some sort of automation, but I'm just a bit rusty. So let's just do git add everything, git commit and one, and git push. Oh, this is really a pain. If it means each time, then it's really a pain. Allow. Yeah, I remember now. This is the problem. Oh, it doesn't open up links. This is the weird part. I think I will need to reinstall here the Ubuntu, because I shouldn't be copying links like that. This is wrong. All right. So it's definitely something is blocked here, or it's not authorized. Okay. So yeah, we used, and did we manage to upload it? Hit here and see. Okay, so we have the files. Now the next question is, will this need to be let's just do a .env here, and actually I think I've lost the token that I had, so let's see if the token is here. Now adding, committing, trying to push. Okay, yeah, boom, connected, thank God. So I'm cool. So basically you shouldn't build .env file into, so we're gonna do a git git ignore, but we don't have anything as of yet. So okay, can just keep it pinned. Where are we in the regard of installations? So we just did the SQLite, so let's check the version. As we can see, we have a live version. So now, do we have a database in plan here? Okay. So we'll skip to the part, okay, there's a database here. So we can skip to this part later. Let's skip to the Django part. So do we have pip? We can already do it from here. Let's open up a new folder called TOV, Tales of Void. And I'm opening it in terminal, and just let's do pip.v. So as we can see, this means we have pip. And to install pip, you need to install Python, and I'm not going to go over that. But if I would like to know if I have Python, so I just do Python -v, and probably it's going to have Python 3, so just like Python 3 -v, and we can see that I'm already inside Python, so I can exit. But what is interesting that it does all that clutter, I think. Destroy, oh, never mind. Well, it might be something annoying a bit, but okay. So let's ask for Django to install pip, for pip to install Django. Sudo doesn't look like an installation to me. There's a lot of comments. I'm not sure what's going on here. Let's clear it up. Exit. Let's clear it up. Okay. Bash. Okay. Let's see if this works. Yeah. So we're inside my project. In Django, each project consists of one or more apps, which are self-contained modules that can be reused across to create a new app. So we're just gonna do that. Oh, we just need to tweak it to free. This will create a new app called my app in directory with the same name. So we just have this whole bunch of files. Define a module. In Django, modules are Python classes that define the fields and behaviors of the data you want to store. Define a module for storing subscriber names. Open the modules py, which is the app directory. This one. And add the following code. From Django, import modules. So we're gonna copy from here. Sorry. Yes. So this defines a subscriber module with a single field called name, which is char field, which means a string. With a maximum length of 100 characters, create a database. Okay, so we got to the database part. Yay! Before you can use a subscriber model to store data, you need to create a database. To use this, Python manage migrate. Again, let's just, well, never mind. What of using each time. Okay. As you can see, there's a lot of greens okay, and we like it. You can create the SQL database file. We can see it here. And we can't really read it because it's, we can read some of the SQLs here, but it's not really important to read it. It's just, that's the database. The file is the database. All right. This is cool. Test the model. So now we're gonna okay. Let's see if it's actually paste. Don't ask me again. Okay. So now I think there is a problem. So now I'm going to take that error and head back to ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste the error and on this part I get, apologize for the mistake. So we're gonna try again. Not even sure. Let's see what's the difference. Gonna look the same to me. No, it's actually the same. Isn't it the same code? Isn't it the same code? Wait. Isn't this the same code? Yes. Should have worked correctly. Mr. Nice Guy here. I get the same. Okay, so I think he deprecated the last bit, or he just tries to, but again, this is not good. Oh, stupid me. Well, not stupid, it's just on this device. I'm used to another device where I have save. Okay? I think it's just not saved. Okay. Check that the My App apps in project installed app setting. Wait, what? How do I do that? Settings PY. Where is that? I don't see it. Is a file when you create a Django. PI location. Manage PI, settings PI. I see the manage PI. Oh, here they are. So the manage PI is above and the settings PI is below. Okay. So what I'm gonna look for, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna look for check that the My app is included in the installed apps. Okay. So now we can see that we have here installed apps, and we absolutely don't have My app. Looks like only include the built-in Django. So we're just gonna add My app. Which means basically, okay. Make sure to save. I did save, right? Let's just paste everything inside. and let's paste what was it, the model URL. Yep. Okay. Maybe I should exit and re-enter. Now, I think also yeah. I think I need, oh sorry. No, it's a whole different there's no such table. Okay, so let's just give it all this. Okay. I think I've skipped some parts, but okay. Maybe we should proceed with MySQL. Okay, directory. So that's the directory. It's actually, I should do it here, right? Sorry. Maybe I should alias Python. Before I'm gonna do his suggestion, I would just like counsel, just like that. Okay, so they're telling me the same thing, right? It's going to do a migration between Python and the database, or something like that. But it's not copied correctly. Wow. Hooray! Create model subscriber. Okay. Where were we? For the errors. Way before the errors. So okay, we got that. Let's go back. Oh. Or should we? Okay. I I'm not sure about that part, but yeah. Wait. Python 3. Oh, there's a problem here. Name as is not defined. Let's just copy everything. So we're gonna exit. Right. The name of my project is my app. Well, let's just ask, shouldn't this be in a file? Shouldn't this be in a file? Yes, you're right. Fucker. Hooray. Oh my god. You're so annoying. Could have told me that it should be in the file, right? Create subscriber and just like, yeah. And just run it from no module named my app. Something about so there is a missing link here. Make sure my app directory is located. As you can see, it should be not inside the folder. Yeah, it should be. We should have the same level. Okay, I think it's closing some. Push. Well, let's do nano bash rc and just alias. As you can see, we have several aliases here, so it's just like alias Python. let's just write pi, okay? Pi equals Python 3. And also alias up equal git add and git up and ampersand git push. Okay, yes, we want to change it. Okay, yes. So now we're gonna do. Well, I should have written Python because Python. Oh, I should do a source. Well, you know what? Let's go back here and just write. And guys, I think my kids are coming back. And it's been a pleasure. And equals to Python 3, and it will be continued, right? We love this part. So we're just going to do source bash rc. Now a lot of stuff happened here, so we need to keep on doing it. And bye.